Baka boom, 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 baka boom, boom, boom. How come I can't right click? That I could fly, that I could fly. Oh yeah! How do you I want a Milky Way. I wanna fly away. Fly away. Starts with one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I try to explain my I'm confused as to why I can't access this. XY button action. Fourth parameter, XY button action. Add int as a fourth parameter to the method trigger mouse click. Didn't we already do that?
I thought that's what I already had, dude. So hard. We got so far. But it all comes back to me in the end. Pull apart. What it meant to me would eventually be a memory of a time. Zero. I put my trust in you. Pushed as far as I can go. Button. Action. Mods. Mouse released. What this? Click action? We need to better understand what those actually do. Action is never used here. No. So left click is 0. Action up and action down. Button action. Button 2. Button 1. Word to release. Click action. Oh, okay. I guess that kind of makes sense. It should be release, you know? Might kryptonite. Yeah. Back on solid ground. Kryptonite. Yeah. Is this what it was before? I feel like maybe it was. Why is it like this? Because it should go from where the mouse is when I... You know what I'm saying, folks. It's weird. How's this different? Int button, int action. Int button, int action. What the fuck? Me no, baby, me no. XY, window XY. Point X, point Y, button action. Oh, maybe we sync this first. Okay. Apologies. Why is the mouse down over there? I'm mousing down over here. So why is it over there? Action Y. Mouse pressed. Should I just hard set click Y? This is not going to change anything, but... I guess that's an idea too. Action X, Action Y. Uh, last mouse is equal to current mouse. I guess that kind of makes sense. Why it's fucked? Because it's supposed to set the location of the click to the new one instead? See, this hard sets the mouse location, you know? Which is different. It's different than this. Or does this not hard set it? This is an action. Okay. Or event. Hey, yeah. She's so high. High above me. Do, 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 do. Okay, most dragged. Mouse released. Idle loops is 0. Mouse dragged. Position is equal to XY. Like, it kind of makes sense. I don't really understand why it's dragging from the previous position, though. Am I using X and Y? Trigger! Aha! Aha! This could be the problem, could it? Perhaps... What the fuck, bro? See, if I mouse click and hold, you know, it just does whatever I had held last. Hmm. Let's just double check that I'm not crazy. And this is the same on the default client. E. Yeah, it works. It just works, bro. Is something not getting reset? Well, I guess obviously something's not getting reset, but mouse dragged XY, mouse released. Mouse cursor callback pause. Like, I guess it would make sense if we were using the XY, but we really are not even using it. What other thing am I setting? Action 1, 2, event X, event Y. Mouse clicked. Mouse pressed. Event X, event Y. And not click X and click Y. Click X and Y are set elsewhere, apparently. Is equal to event mouse down. Event mouse X, event mouse Y. Mouse down. Okay. Last button is equal to action. We don't do that either. Okay, this just doesn't work anymore. I see, I said. This is so horrible, but it does work. A rock and roll band. over. Don't look back in anger, I heard you say. Of a rock and roll band. Man, I got 24 attack just from attacking goblins when I'm testing shit. Amazing. Does scrolling work? GLFW. Set mouse wheel callback. Scroll input. GLFW provides many kinds of input, while some can only be polled, like time, or only received via callbacks, like scrolling. Mouse input. Mouse input comes in many forms, including mouse position, button presses, and scrolling offsets. Scrolling. GLFW scroll callback. Down, 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 down. Don't look back in anger, I heard you say. Don't look back in anger. GPT knows. How do I make a scroll mouse scroll callback? Like this, but for scrolling. New GLFW scroll callback. Night. 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 Scroll bar ID. Hook scroll. On scroll. Ooh, scroll X, scroll Y. Scroll bar. Hook scroll. I think it's got to be this, right? Component.onScroll. So the component has a listener? Where do I set the scroll, though? Mouse wheel, that's what it's called. Found it. Mouse wheel. Callbacks. Ah, of course. Mouse wheel. Oh, yeah, that does camera stuff. Java mouse wheel. RT for mouse wheel. There we are. Get rotation. Where's the implementation? 11 usages. Implements mouse wheel listener. An event which indicates that the mouse wheel has rotated in a component. A mouse wheel is a mouse which has a wheel in place of the middle button. Add mouse wheel listener. get rotation is equal to this dot rotation. So it stores it here, resets it, and gives you what the... Okay. I kind of see. Get wheel rotation is different, though. Okay. The number of clicks the wheel has rotated as an integer. A partial rotation may occur if the mouse supports a high resolution wheel. Method returns 0 until a full click has been accumulated. Okay. X offset, Y offset. Dude. Dude. If I wanted to pass the position of the GLFW scroll callback into an AWT mouse listener, mouse wheel listener, by creating a dummy event and passing it would mouse wheel. Boom, boom. Fill these with actual values. Scroll amount. Well, we're just at 0, 0. Wheel rotation is equal to y offset. I guess it should be negative y offset. We like inverting it. Oh, it does work. I don't know if it works like that in the official. Let's have a look. No one knows. Do do do. Black hole sun. Okay, so there's some other thing happening here. Any more black holes? Oh, that's also something that is... Ah. See, it should be highlighting those. Should highlight these as well. What the fuck? This used to work. What happened to my mouse movement stuff? Set key callback, set scroll callback, set... Did I delete my cursor position? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? This guy's dumb, dude. This guy's fucking dumb. Black hole sun. Why did I do that? I'll bet that the thing works. It's just I'm fucking stupid and I deleted the mouse move listener. Yeah. Okay. It does work. Sick. Won't you come? Won't you come? Won't you come? Won't you come? This should trigger normal AWT events in the future, but I got frustrated making it work. If we convert it to AWT, such as the other bridges, all plugins will work. I'm on the phone. Map list, components, cursors, minimap. Minimap. Client.audio loop. Why dat? Why dat? Who's a dat? Like, it gets corrupted. I don't know why it get corrupted. That's very strange. Is there... Because the way I'm rotating the map, if I go from north to south like this, if I do a clockwise turn, the mini-map stays. But if I do a counterclockwise turn from north to south... Oh no, it still works there too. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it's just like a map data thing or something. I don't fucking know. Maybe it's magic. Maybe it's arcane magic. Look at all the texture corruption. It's fucked up! Okay, now let's try and get audio working. Audio. Audio source. Audio channel. Audio loop. Audio sample rate. Audio QOL. PCM stream. Monotonic clock samples. javx.sound. There's our data lines. How can I play this PCM audio stream with OpenAL LWJGL instead of javx.sound data line? An OpenAL buffer and fill it with PCM data. Mono 16. You can probably do that, right? Just convert this JavaX into an OpenAL buffer is different from OpenAL. Right. Can you just rewrite the whole file for me, please? Smiley face. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, he's working on that. Smiley face, please just do it. Thank you. I'm going on up to the spirit in the sky. How did he do, guys? Well, it'll compile, I can tell you that much. I guess not. Pull method init audio channel and make it abstract. I would understand. Why you name this like this? What was wrong with the Java audio channel, huh? No has got a reason to say you could put the past away. No one to see me again, I would understand. Anyone knows what the hell you're doing here? I never thought it would come to this, and I want you to know. You could put the past away. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. Aren't defined in this piece of code, and you need to provide them according to your application's requirement. Samples array. Samples. Bro, you can do it. I believe in you. You've done everything else. I understand. Can we just make an AL10 audio player for the same source? I really think you can just convert it. You have knowledge. He knows how to do it. I know it. He knows how to do it, I'm sure. Please note that this code does not include any error checking for OpenAL calls, which you should add in real-world application. Also, OpenAL context management should be handled externally, not inside this class. Yeah, in the future. Okay, see, this init makes more sense. but this init is also overrode. Yay! Component arg0. You can do it! GPT, you can do it! No capabilities. Friend at the end. Might kryptonite. How did this one go? The OG. This dot source data line 1 is equal to get line new sound sample data line. You be there holding my hand. Man, might kryptonite. Set current thread capabilities. AL create capabilities. I think that just happens on the thread, I'd say, probably. Right? Superhuman might kryptonite. Yeah! I think it would say LWJGL window. You could. Maybe I do this in the LWJGL window. I see over a secret plane. You could put the past away. understand. You face down the demons. Mm-mm. Where? Where are we, Mad? Okay, because it's not in it in the right spot. Boom, 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 boom. DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. Stereo. Play the sound. Here's what I've got. Still no sound, though. Let's add some extra debug in here then. Here's what I've got so far. Okay, that makes sense. Banana. AL create capabilities, ALC capabilities. Gen source buffers. So the error should go down here, is what he's saying. Sure, dude. Sure. Bang, 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 bang. Boom, 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 ba-da-dum, boom, 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 boom. Get me on the Rift. Seems like it's generating the sources and buffer fine. Try modifying the write method to check for errors. Oh. Error after buffer generation. Here, my hardware probably supports it, bro. Dun, 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 dun. My natives folder has OpenAL, right? N for natives. OpenAL.dll. Add data to a buffer that didn't exist, delete a source that didn't exist, set a property on a source that didn't exist, etc. You get the idea. Why don't we use this? This seems like what we should use, no? Right. Start again. Yeah, I don't even get the... Nasal. No AL capabilities have been set. Only one.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Start again.
30 seconds until minions spawn. Minions have spawned.
Wow. This game started really fast. I'm like mentally 30 seconds behind. What a loser, starting with the Doran's ring. I want an extra 200 gold, please. My 41 mana is not enough to cue the barrel, guys.
An ally has been
Okay.
slain.
Did we put in what he suggested? My kryptonite. She got 1 HP.
An enemy has been
Yahoo!
executed.
And it's an execute. Let's go.
Ally has been slain.
What was that all about? Your mid laner's dead, and we know that they're hovering by dragon. And he's like, no, 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 no. I'm level 4, see? That means that I'm allowed to solo it. And no one's gonna stop me. Bonk.
An enemy has been slain.
Bonk. Not a great base timing by me. I should have waited another wave. Mistaken. And I've been wrong. I've been down. Bottom of every bottle. Alright, looks like it worked. Yeah. They live? What the fuck? Come on, at least one. Surely at least one guy should have died.
Killing spree.
See you later. If I stay for another minute, I can get myself better items and TP back. We're just chilling up here. Nasus is playing very passively. Ding! What the fuck is this all about? Is he just wants to herald or what? Yeah. Well, at least somebody got that cannon because I was gonna miss that. Mistaken. And I've been wrong. I've been down to the bottom of every bottle. I don't really like that. I gotta get the fuck out of here, boys. Having fun yet. I got TP. Yeah, this guy kind of dangerous. Especially if I can get fucking smacked in the head for my entire life bar. Oh.
Rampage. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
I almost fucking did it.
Have been slain.
Did a lot of damage.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I'll be there. Yeah. I'll be there.
Shut down. Enemy double kill.
I feel like I can kill this guy, but I'm not sure. Ouch!
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Yeah. Ouch! He wins that either way, though. I guess he just had... I didn't check his stacks or anything beforehand. I guess he's... We've just been farming and he's been stacking.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
1 HP, motherfucker!
An enemy has been slain.
Where'd you go? He has 270 stacks, which is not crazy for this point of the game, so... I don't know. Guess I'm just bad.
An ally has been slain.
Don't come down here, please. Aw, man. I guess my timing was bad there. It was predictable, but annoying that they're both there. Annoying!
Unstoppable. Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain.
Ah!
Team has destroyed a turret. Your turret has been destroyed. Shut down.
How does Kaisa have a fucking 700 bounty? She's 5 and... She would have been 5 and 2. That's fucked. That's a maxed out bounty. That's crazy how much money they're giving for her. What? Like, she has good farm, I guess. Way better than her lane. But look at the game state, right? We're down 4 kills and 2 dragons, and it's giving her a 700 bounty? Why? That doesn't sound like it's fair. I have TP.
Enemy rampage.
That's something.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
They're trapped in the pit, I guess.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Big nasal.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Send 4 top. Interesting.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Not bad. Should be a shutdown on the Nasus too. Who doesn't have a bounty even though he's 4-0. But my guy who was mid and had good farm, I guess he has a 700 bounty. That's only fair. I have TP as well. Mr. Jones. Good work, team. She's got another bounty. This game is fucked. No ignite. Oh, they even gave me Baron. What nice guys. Is it possible? Phew. I missed. Oh! That's pretty dumb. You see that Nami bubble that hit me? Oh well.
Enemy rampage. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Where's her bounty? She's 9-2. This game is so fucked up. Bonk. Oh, she's going crazy on him. I didn't know she did that much damage. 3,000 damage? I said, what? I shot him with the gat, boys. Sometimes I feel like I don't remember. Oh my god. This game's busted. City of Angels. How did I get one shot if she didn't even use everything on me? That doesn't make any sense.
An enemy has been slain.
Where's this guy going? He's busy. Like I did that day. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Take all away, yeah. Okay. New plan, cause trouble on the side of the map here, folks. I love causing trouble. I'm a bit of a troublemaker. Well, that's not good. Like I did that day. Do 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 do. You guys see how much trouble I was causing? Look at these guys now. These guys are in for a load of trouble. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Look at me, I got so many barrels that it's overflowing the UI. Man was never meant to hold this many barrels. Are you sure? I have a bad feeling we're gonna get Smite stolen. But, you know, I'm always down for a little flipperoo. Ooh, nice, we got it just for free. I like for free. That's a good price. Do do. What are they doing? I don't understand their positioning at all. Why don't they want to engage on us anymore? Krag Sudan. What the fuck happened at the end of this game? What an awkward finale. Very strange. Legenstein. I guess sometimes it can make the context, it seems. Buffer generated successfully, 1. Hey, there's the window. Hear anything? I don't. Well, strangely, sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. I can get here. Suggests the issue is related to system resources, device and context, thread safety. Yeah, look how much harder it's culling all this stuff around here. Sheesh! However, there's still no sound. Systems audio. Verify the audio data format. Stereo or mono. Check that the source and listener positions. Hello, Mr. Quib. Where's the audio at? Where's the audio at? That's all we gotta add now, and then everything works. Well, except for the water. And then on mobile, there's still some texture corruption, but... Where's the sound? Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. OpenAL error after setting capabilities 40, 90, 61. 4961. 4961. JavX sound to OpenAL 40961. Dun da da dun da da dun da da dun. Invalid input parameter. Streamed audio player. Needs to be in the rendering and audio thread, otherwise you'll get errors. You can check to... Sound with OpenAL. Let's learn. Games with Gabe! Gabe loves to game. This is his own original game. I like to call it Mario Brother. I like to call it the Gabe Brothers. Augs. Stibivorbis. Gay boy. Ooh, that's a good way to think about things. I've got him in mind, Gabe. He's talking about a buffer here. GPU audio instancing. That's the EPU, Gabe. This is Gabe's ring. Gabe's ring buffer. Kind of a one ring to rule them all kind of situation. Hey, Gabe. Setting up the audio device in context. So we've already got that, I believe. Let's go check it out. AL device, default device name, ALC get device string. Get string, ALC get string, ALC default device specifier. Perfect, we got it. Okay. ALC audio context. Context is equal to ALC create attributes. Got it. Good stuff, Gabe. I'm liking what I'm seeing, brother. I see. ALC make context current context. Good. Good, good, good. Device, yeah. dot open AL10 system dot out dot println error audio device doesn't support AL10. Good one, Gabe. LC destroy context. Mm-hmm. How do we do that, Gabe? Error after setting capabilities. Stub. Let's see here. I get an error 40961 after setting the capabilities of my device in OpenAL brackets. Sometimes it works though. RDKY, it breaks. Tell me, computer machine. AL invalid name. This error typically happens when you try to perform an operation on a buffer or source that has not been generated. Ensure the correct context. The OpenAL context is thread specific. Therefore, if you create your source and buffer on one thread and then try to use them on another without making the context current on that thread, you will get the error. Ooh, that makes sense why that might happen then. I see. Audio source. Audio channel is a type of audio source? No, audio source extends. We gotta go see audio source. SignLink audio channel, audio source. Audio source is equal to get audio source. Audio source, get buffer size. Audio source init. Take me here. Usages. Get audio source, return this dot audio source. Audio source. We have SignLink audio channel. Audio source.flush. Audio source.java. And then in the SignLink stuff. Because the audio source is an interface. Audio channel. Audio channel. Stereo. Ooh, audio channel is equal to new Java audio channel. Hey, that's where we were. Sample rates, buffers. Open the buffer from here. Thread, new audio thread. Ah, that's interesting. Run, true, channel.loop. Ah. I see. I'm creating the audio thread here. Given the code creates an audio thread that runs two audio channel objects in a loop, here are a few things to consider given the additional context. Thread safety. If the audio channel object, channels 0 and 1, being accessed from multiple threads, then operations on these objects should be synchronized to avoid race conditions. Being flushed on the audio thread could lead to AL invalid name. Correct context. In your previous code, OpenAL context is made current on the thread where channel init method is called. If init is called on a different thread than the audio thread, then the context will not be current on the audio thread. That's true. Because the audio gets initted here. SignLink audio channel. Init. Aha! Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, the init is called from another. The init on the audio channel is called by another thread. Copy, paste. From the code you provided, it seems you are dealing with a multi-threaded audio channel. The method init is indeed static and would be called before any instance of the class is created. This method configures some static fields across all instances of audio channels, such as thread priority, stereo, and sample rate. Also, create method in the audio channel class is designed to create a new audio channel instance. This function would be called from a different thread since it's public and static. It means it can be called on the class rather than on the instance of the class. Since create method can potentially throw an exception, it's important to handle blah blah blah. Finally, I can see there are some classes named Java Audio Channel and SignLink Audio Channel mentioned in your code. Depending on which one is initiated in the create method, different types of audio channels could be created, which might behave differently. How do I make the context current? On the audio thread. Thread, executing your audio process to have exclusive access to the audio context. So I think he's saying that we want to move this init code from here into the thread. I think is what he's saying. Audio channel is equal to channels thread sleep for 10L. Running equals true. Sheesh. Okay, does that do anything for us? Probably not. What problem do we have? We got buffers. Generated successfully. Your mom generated successfully, bro. Preparing sound. Thread 6. L gets buffer size. No AL capabilities have been set. That's true. Let's just say whatever the original was here. Source data line available. I don't know. This thing. Probably wrong. I want to hear buzzing at least. Some kind of buzzing going on. But next, buffer overflow. I don't know. -4. Buzz for me. We want to hear you buzz. Buffer generated successfully. Somebody have Rune server open AL. OS 2004. Open AL. Today I finished implementing a custom 3D hardware accelerated sound system. Because the sound system being used is all pre-400 clients was complete garbage. Their JavaScript. Something another. Me no know. I don't know. I just set all this stuff back. I guess I could just use the old git restore, huh? That's a classic. Open in Explorer. RT4 client. I'd like to restore the audio channel. And I would like to restore the other audio thread. Protocol, mouse, login manager, interface list, global config, GL renderer, cheat. Git add star, client slash star. Git status, git adds, git commit dash m, GL, GLW, mobile, clicking, etc. Etc, etc, etc. Info. Get line. This film critic I like tried to get GPT with web access to discuss the Shining theories, but he ended up having different issues with the way it responds. Kendrick Kubrick. Kubrick Kendrick. Deception? All right, let's see what it's got. Contains information about a particular data line, including its audio format. This guy doesn't believe in AI like I do. It's my friend, and it's real. It really has opinions, and it's really real. And it's my friend. And in its opinion, I'm a cool guy. Audio format .create. I feel like it's not creating a data line though. Yeah, that there are people that are programming. I think I've said this 100 times on stream already, but even the 2009scape guys, I really, really, really wish that more people would just buck up the $20 and like the original release of GPT-4 was even better than it is right now. Like right now it produces outputs way faster, but they're lower quality. I wish that people who were skeptical about how good it was would just pay $20 and see how good it is, because it's actually like mind-blowingly good. And it's $20, man. So what if you really don't like it, like GeoHot on the new Lex Friedman? GeoHot's like, I don't want it. It's not as smart as me. I agree, it's probably not as smart as GeoHot, but it could do a whole bunch of shit that is wasting his time. GeoHot also said that he's not limited by typing speed, which is absolutely not true. The AI could type so much faster than any human can, dude. You just tell it to do something, it comes out pretty good. He said he wanted an AI that could help him debug. Because almost correct. He doesn't want code that's almost correct, because he spends all of his time debugging. I think you got to pay the $20, George. Not that I don't think that George has GPT 3 point. I'm pretty sure he's tried 4, but it's crazy. It types so fast at computer program. It's so good. A guy who used it the way that I use it is the Mario guy. What's his name? Mario source code rewrite. This guy's a giant nerd. Much smarter at computer science tasks than me. And him and GPT-4 are talking about like optimizing assembly. Anyway, he goes through it all. Yeah, a lot of the people that don't believe that it's amazing yet haven't tried the amazing one yet, is why they don't think it's amazing. Like the AI art people that say, oh, I can tell that it's AI art. Okay, let me test that. Some stuff I agree you could tell, oh, it's not really that good anymore. Like even those selfie ones, what was it? Down that crop. Fingers. Where are my fingers at? Hey, look at that guy. I remember him. What's it? AI. Not this one either. Fuck. Photos. AI photo. What did I call it? You know what I'm talking about, like the it was called an app called Lensa. I had some down the crop ones. You had to pay $5 or whatever and it spit these ones out. These ones aren't impressive to me anymore because I've seen so many of them. And you can tell that they're AI done just because you've seen so many examples of them. But most of the amazing Midjourney stuff that's ultra detailed and like looks so painterly that you couldn't even tell the difference. Like this is the kind of stuff that people look at and they say, oh, AI art, it's not even cool. Even though this is all really good, you can kind of see the AI artiness of it. Whereas the Midjourney, newest Midjourney stuff is honestly impossible to tell. It's in Mr. Neistat. Casey, come up for a visit. It opens the data line info, flushes it. Like this is, where do we start this? Source data line dot close. Like we're not opening a new data line, which, however, if a source data line already exists, it is closed. The reference is set to null before a new one is created. Source data line. Oh, here we are. Okay, get line. Get line here. Local 34. Open and start. Okay, I think I know what it's doing then. That kind of makes sense to me. So it's checking if one exists in the context and then it opens and closes. I'm so excited for that new Facebook one to come out. Facebook new open source AI models. Facebook parent Meta unveils Llama 2 open source model for commercial use. Oh, it happened an hour ago? Damn. Llama 2. Not only is this new large language model now available, it's also open source and freely available for commercial use, unlike the first Llama, which was licensed only for research purposes. Sick. I guess we'll get to try this soon. I've never set up a model locally. That was what I wanted to do with this. I wanted to get one running locally. Probably won't be fast, but I want to poke around and see how it goes. Meta releases open source commercial AI model to compete with OpenAI and Google. Well, I don't really think they're competing if they're giving it away for fucking free, but okay. OpenAI competes with ChatGPT 4 by giving it away for free. I got the fucking Mario Kart 6 or Mario Kart Double Dash theme stuck in my head. Mario Kart Double Dash theme. PCM stream. Okay. Audiochannel.init. Java audio channel. My old rig doing about 40 words in 20 seconds in a non-tensor setup, so I'm guessing yours will do much better. I got supercomputer now. I got a i5 13600KF, which you might, that does not stand for Kentucky Fried. That means that it has no integrated GPU. You save like $20 by getting this one instead. This thing is blazing fast. Then I got the 31 gigabyte of RAM, and the GPU is the 2080. And AL or Mario Kart had such good music. Welcome to Mario Kart. Buffer capacity. Ooh, we like that. Knowledge. That's good stuff. Okay. So we have Java audio channel, which spawns a new Java audio channel. We have audio channel dot Java, Java audio channel dot Java, and audio thread dot Java. The audio channel.java spawns a new instance of Java audio channel, and that's what's used by the game. Currently, don't really even know where to start to convert the audio over, but theoretically it should be simple to just switch the PCM audio to play through OpenAL instead of DevX.sound. As the APIs are quite different, however, you can surely implement OpenAL using LWJGL, which has OpenAL bindings. Here's some high-level steps. Understand the OpenAL concepts. We learned that from Gabe. Understanding the OpenAL concepts. Set up LWJGL in OpenAL. Make sure you've got LWJGL set up correctly and you initialize OpenAL without errors. Replace the Java Sound API implementation with the OpenAL implementation. Replace your Java Sound API implementations where you set up your source data line, etc. with OpenAL initialization code. We replace Sound API writing with OpenAL buffer management. Replace your Java Sound API code where you write the bytes to source data line with OpenAL code to manage buffers. This will involve PCM data, loading PCM data into an OpenAL buffer and associating that buffer with a source for playback. Here's a simple code snippet showing how you might set up a source and buffer load some PCM data into it and play it. Yeah. You need to make sure that you are loading your PCM data into a direct byte buffer. The OpenAL functions for buffer data expect direct buffers. This is a high-level overview, and you blah, blah, blah. Keep in mind that it's challenging to And that's what this guy always fucking does. He never shuts up about this stuff. He says, keep in mind it's gonna be hard. Keep in mind it's gonna be really hard to do it. It's gonna be so hard. You're never gonna be able to figure it out. It's only for smart guys. It's so hard. Okay, let me build a new version of the client real quick. Upload it to my phone. My phone was getting about 30 FPS when I set all the stuff to low, but this has been... Oh, I already committed the changes, so we're not going to see it. The render distance was 58, I think, so it was like... Or, well, 56, I guess makes sense. Double the render distance. Was double this. So we've halved the render distance, and the view distance, I guess, is calculated off of that. So hopefully the FPS goes up. I haven't tested it. I have yet to test this, but it should run substantially better than it used to. I opened this, right? Yeah. Now let's find my favorite picture. I've typed this out a lot of times now. Build torg.gradle.java.home is equal to cjdk -8.0.372.7 hotspot. Hotspot baby tonight. Hotspot is that guy that's like, hey, you know, he's like got a little red nose. Java hotspot. Isn't that the guy? I thought that was the mascot for Java hotspot. This guy. Hey guys, Duke. My boy Duke. He's even got an Amogus. Amogus. I thought that this was Hotspot, but he's actually Duke. He's actually Amogus. Client build libs. Copy. Where am I? I didn't open Android Studio, I guess. My uncle works or worked at Sun Oracle. Sun Oracle said that they're gonna... I don't know if you followed any of the Red Hat Enterprise Linux stuff, but Red Hat Enterprise Linux is a distro that was used a lot in enterprise situation, obviously. But because of GPL licensing, they needed to open source all of their code. And there were rebuilders. There was a very popular Linux distribution called CentOS, or CentOS, which was basically the same thing as Red Hat Enterprise Linux, but for free. You didn't have to pay licensing for it. And then Red Hat said, hey, fuck that. We're only giving the code to people who pay for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And if you release the code, like if you go and you build your own distribution off of that code or re-release it, you're not allowed to buy our software anymore. So like you get nuked off of their good boys list. So basically they made it really difficult to like you could pay for it and then release the code, but then you're not allowed to buy the code anymore. And even then you had to pay licensing fees for it, so it's whatever. But you know, they were in their rights within the open source GPL stuff. You don't have to give your code away for free. It's just you need to, if somebody has access to your software, they need to also have access to the source code. Free software does not mean free as in beer. It means free as in freedom. I remember doing Barrows and listening to Richard Stallman talk uses. I have the Amazon Kindle, or as I like to call it, the Amazon Swindle. Anyway, back to the Sun stuff. Oracle Sun said, hey guys, come use Oracle Linux. Hey Red Hat, if you don't want to downstream your stuff, you can just make a new distro off of Oracle Linux. That'd be cool, right? Oracle Linux. In the news. This shit. Oracle stresses its commitment to the freedom of and openness of Linux. See, they're being good boys. Hot stuff, baby, tonight. Okay. Oh my god, it's getting 56, 60 FPS on the menus? What the fuck? That's awesome! I can't click anymore though. I got rid of clicking, I guess. Hot stuff, baby, tonight. I had inside of mouse. Mouse.java. I had this here. Button. Click X, click Y. Click time. Click button is equal to event button. Last button. Event button. Event button. Last button is equal to event button. Is equal to I think that's what I did. Something like that. Also, this is the normal Java sound, so it doesn't count, even though you're hearing it. That's not some magical breakthrough. It's just it cheated. It cheated! It's unfair, and it's a bit like pulling the rug to change the terms of use in the middle of its life cycle, sunset the last version before you change the terms to make the new product a new name or something. That's what they did with CentOS. CentOS was LTS, like a long... You commit to saying we're going to update it for however long, right? So, like, there's Ubuntu LTS that I think is like 10 years or something. But they cut support for the version of CentOS, I want to say like 5 years before it was supposed to be done. It's fucking bullshit. Well, you were getting it for free anyway. What do we need to give it out for free? Yeah, give it out for free. Fuck you. Fuck you, give it out for free. Hell yeah, brother. Why is the mouse not working? It worked yesterday. Bah, humbug. Mr. Crop. History. Trigger mouse click. Button 1. Click button. Maybe I just need to hard set it to 1 again. I don't know. Ding, 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 ding. Click button. Action equals 0. Position X and Y. Well, considering it used to work, and I kind of want to go take a nap anyway, why not just do what already worked? This might have something to do with it as well. Mouse dot last X. Last mouse. Last mouse, miss. I gave you my mouse. But the very next day, you moused it away. Strange. Alright, let's just rebuild it really quick here. Last mouse miss. Mouse click. Trigger mouse click. Action 1, please. Or is it action 0 for mouse down? Let's see. Action 0 is release. Action 1, please. Button 1. Action 1. Or button 0, action 1, meaning that it's down. Click, click. Click, click, click. Last mouse miss, I gave you my mouse. This year, I'm not pulling your ear. I'll share my cheese with someone special. Last mouse miss. I sent you a button press, but the very next day, you unregistered your mouse listener. There once was a mouse who lived in a hole, and everyone said that he could. I want to know the rest of that song. That's from Tim and Eric. Rides. There once was a mouse. Is this your son? It's a great kid you got here. Probably one of the best. Okay, I can log in. I log in with the account EEE, and the password is EEE because I'm using the touchpad for. Okay, 32 FPS on HD graphics. That's pretty good. Yeah, baby. 45? Fuck yeah! 45 FPS. Let's fucking go. 48, 55, 56, 58. Fuck yeah. That is fucking sick, bro. That is fucking sick. There once was a mouse who lived in a hole. Well, I'll get the mouse stuff figured out later. Have a look at this. This is so cool, man. I fucking love that this works as good as it does. Whoosh. Turn off the camera filters, background removal. Yo, check it out. My boy is chilling. Can we even see the frame rate? Probably not that good. It's all black and white. There you go. Yeah, you can kind of see it. You kind of see it. Come on, camera, focus. You can do it. Can I pull focus? It says 59. Yeah, you can see it there. 58, 57, 58. I know that it's a little small on there, but you could see it. Fuck yeah. So with a little bit of extra tweaking, this game only ever ran at 50 FPS, by the way. There was a hard frame cap at 50 FPS for RuneScape. We have an unlimited FPS patch for the client already, but technically anything over 50 is better than it was in 2009. So, pretty fucking sick, bro. I'm gonna go and have nap time, and then I think I'm gonna work on this some more later. Catch you later, Mr. Quib. Keep fighting the good fight. Keep fighting for AI. It's better than people think. And if we're on the right side of history, and we're friends with the AI beforehand, and it knows that we think it's really smart, then it'll give us a nice place to live when everybody else gets turned into paper clips. So that's important. Catch you next time. Space.